Social media is all about relationships. Kids use digital media to maintain and reinforce existing relationships. The most common communication form is texting. It's important to understand how to enhance the positive benefits of social media while considering the dangers that come with it. Teens are likely to post things about the relationships they're in, and the histories of these relationships are on social networks forever. Teens should learn early on about relationship issues. Some important things to teach teens would be to keep the communication open and honest, remind them that you will always be there for them to come and talk to them about what kind of information they should and shouldn't share. Teens on social media tend to present themselves in a dishonest manner because they pretend to be someone that they're not. Online relationships limit the development of real and deep relationships because you can't really get to know someone through a screen. Online communication is very important in our world today, but it should only be considered a tool and not something that we rely on.